Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to add users to your Next Connect account. To add users to your Next Connect account, first you have to click on account details after opening the account. Do not forget you have to open the account first. You don't have to open an account, you have to sign up for Next Connect account. Check out our previous video on that. So after creating the account, you've opened it. Next thing you're going to do is to click on my account details on the left side of the screen. Then click on manage users. Then click add new user. Then you have to complete the form and click add user. All fields marked with an asterisk are required. Don't forget, you must fill up all the fields marked with an asterisk. You will need to select what type of user you want to add, whether it is general or super user. I suggest you have at least 3 current super users at any time. This ensures that more than one person has full administration access to your account. Next, you have to check the new user details, and if it is correct, click confirm. The new user will then be sent an invitation email. They will need to accept the invitation email. They need to accept the invitation and then activate their account within 28 days. Their details will be deleted if they do not accept the invitation in time. So they have 28 days to accept the invitation. And without accepting the invitation within that 28 days, their details will be deleted and you will have to set them up again. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this helpful.